Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by backing up any data in the account you will delete. This prevents irreversible loss. Once done, open a terminal locally or SSH in as an administrative user with sudo privileges. Now identify the exact username you intend to remove and check for running processes or active sessions. Make sure no critical services depend on that account. This ensures you can safely proceed without disrupting system services. Proceed only when you have a current backup and the account name confirmed. You will run the account removal command next. Use sudo delucer remove home username to delete the user and their home directory, or sudo userdel r username for a lower-level approach. Both remove the home directory when available. Make sure to kill leftover processes with sudo pkillu username and verify none remain with psu username. Also inspect /etc, /password, and /etc, /shadow to confirm the account entry is gone. And finally, clean up any stray files and verify the system state. Carefully search for files owned by the removed user and remove them, using find with caution so you don't delete system files. Once done, remove the user from any groups and check sudoers and cron tabs for residual entries. If necessary, restart affected services or reboot the machine to clear caches. If something goes wrong, check system logs, restore from your backup, and recreate the account to recover data before trying removal again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.